it's Girl with Heart Ambassador Brooklyn, and today we're going on an adventure to spread positivity along with my friend, Bo the Llamacorn. Today, Bo is going to help me spread positivity to my mom by helping her around the house. I'm going to spread positivity to my mom because I know it will make her happy and it will free up some time so that she can do some stuff that she would like to do. It's good to be positive because you can put a big smile on other people's faces and make them happy. When you spread positivity, you can make other people more positive. The first thing I'm going to do is surprise my mom and make my bed so that when she comes up into my room, she won't have to do it. Come on, Bo, you can help with the pillows on too. Nice job, Bo, but it's not nap time yet. We've got more positivity to spread. I'm helping my mom fold the rest of the laundry, but somebody thinks it's playtime. Oh, I didn't see you there. Now I'm helping my mom sweep the kitchen floor. Sometimes I like to listen to music. Good job, Bo. We really do have an amazing teamwork. Sticking a few dishes up. Thank you, Bo. My mom was so happy I helped her today, and it makes me feel good to make her happy. Join the positive fun with Bo the Llamacorn by visiting shopjustice.com/livejustice.